Something strange is happening in small businesses right now. While everyone argues about whether AI will take jobs, a quiet group of business owners stopped arguing. They started building. And what they're building has one thing in common. They own it. For 10 years, the playbook was simple. Rent your website for one company, rent your funnels from another, rent your course platform, your CRM, your email, add it all up. And if you add it up, many owners are paying more for software every single month than they're paying for their car, and they own none of it. The game has changed. Tools like Claude can take a plain English sentence, the way you explain it to an employee, and turn it into a working software. Real code, real apps, no computer science degree. That one change flipped the math of renting on its head. And when you watch what owners are actually building with it, the same four systems show up again and again. I build these every week for real businesses, so let me show you. System 1, an AI employee, an always-on assistant that reads and answers your email, manages your calendar, handles the administrative work, and runs tasks all on your computer, trained on your business, your services, your voice. Owners used to hire virtual assistants for this. Now they build one that never sleeps and never quits, and only costs $20 a month to run. System number 2, an all-in-one business system. Website, CRM, automation, email, payments, forms, and dashboards, all in one app that the owner controls. This is the one replacing those $500 to $2,000 software stacks. The hosting on one of these runs about $5 a month. No. That's not a typo. One of my students, Maria, cut her software bill from $800 a month to $74. Same business, same features. The only difference is she stopped renting and started owning. System 3, the content engine. Owners are cloning themselves with AI avatars and pumping out short-form content across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn without writing scripts, without getting on camera, without editing. The camera shy owners and the busy owners finally compete with the influencers. System 4, the course platform. Coaches and experts are walking away from School, Circle, Kajabi, and building their students, their content, their data on their own domain. If you sell what you know, this is the one that changes your margins forever. Look at the pattern. Your labor, your operations, your knowledge. The 4 places a business bleeds money on rent, and one by one, owners are replacing rented tools with owned systems. And this is speeding up, not slowing down. The AI models are getting better every few months. The tools are getting simpler. The gap between owners who can build and the owners who can rent only gets wider every quarter. Every technology wave works this way. The early learners get the head start and reap the rewards. And this is not just internet business people. I train the team and leadership at North Courier Fire Control and Rescue District in Florida. They now can build apps that automate purchase orders and internal operations. Work that took 8 hours now takes minutes. Government, fire district, real operations. Now the thought in your head. I'm not technical. Well, neither is Maria. Neither are the firefighters. The entire point of this shift is that describing what you want is now enough. If you could explain a task to an employee, you can build the system that does it. Because here's the secret. The valuable skill was never the code. It is knowing your business well enough to say what should exist. You already have that. You've had it for years. The missing piece was the builder that listens. Now you have one. So here's what I would do. Not buy anything. Start with my free training vault. 22 videos that show you exactly how owners use Claude to build these 4 systems, step by step, starting from zero. The link is below this video. It's free and it's yours forever. And when you're ready to actually build your first app that you can monetize, that's exactly what my 5-day challenge walks you through. 15 minutes a day, 5 days, your first app live on your domain, ready to accept payments. The owners who win this decade will not be the ones with the biggest software budget. It will be the ones who own their systems. Stop renting. Build it once, own it. I'm Jonathan Acuna. They call me Dr. AI, and I appreciate you.